and I need you to set me free from all of these bad dreams waiting on the other side. No sound when I cry. I love you and I need you to set me free from all of these, all of these. I've always had like bad, like chronic nightmares since I was a kid, and one of the ones I remember vividly is my mom would like get out of the car and like walk into our friend's house or the store real quick and leave the car on, and I would sit in the car and the car would just kind of like start going or backing up and leaving, you know, driving by itself, and I'd be trying to control it or stepping on, looking out the windows and like banging, and that's like one I really, really remember. Baby, please come around, help me settle down, hellish habits can cloud my head. What you waiting for? Something physical. I can't do this by myself. What are you waiting for? Something physical is kind of like, are you waiting for this stuff to actually happen in real life? You know, the stuff that like actually happens in my dreams. There's always this fear of like when you're sleeping, like feeling like it's actually for really happening, and waking up and feeling like, I hope I wasn't like seeing the future in my dream, like some foreshadowing or something. Rocky Block is responsible for that whole second verse.